Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can swap crypto using your Revolut app. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave all the links in the description below. So let's get started. Now, once you load up your Revolut app, you will be on your home screen right here, and from your home screen you just need to go to your crypto tab right here in the bottom right corner. Now here on your crypto tab, you can see your current crypto portfolio and its current value. So in this case, I only have Solana purchased, so let's try to swap Solana for, let's say, Ethereum. Now you would need to click on the crypto that you want to swap, in my case Solana. Now once you clicked on your cryptocurrency, you will see this graph through time right here. And all you need to do is just click on the sell button right here. And then a new screen will load asking you what amount of Solana would you like to sell. But before we input the amount, you need to click on the currency tab that's below the amount that you want to sell. So currently it's set to USD and you just need to click on it. And then a new tab will load on which you can select a currency to which you want to sell your Solana to, or any cryptocurrency. But instead of just country currencies such as dollars or euros, you can actually sell your cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. That way you're actually swapping it. So here in the search bar, you can just type in any cryptocurrency that you want. In my case, we said Ethereum, so I will just type in Ethereum. And select the first option. And now we're back on the sell screen, aka the swap screen. So now all you need to do is select the amount of your Solana that you want to sell. Let's say 1. And if you take a closer look at the currency that you're selling to, it says Ethereum. Now all you need to do is click review order, after which a new screen will load asking you to confirm that you would like to sell a set amount of your original cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency, and on that screen you just need to click confirm. After that, the transaction will load and your original cryptocurrency will be sold to another cryptocurrency, that way swapping it. So that's how you can swap crypto in Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.